Families of Kenyan students caught up in the COVID-19 outbreak are now asking the president to intervene and have the students brought home immediately. The families say their children are surviving under extreme conditions as the lockdown in Wuhan in China persists. NTV's Brenda Wanga with the details.
They were strangers before, now they are bound by a common bond, the anxiety over the fate of their kin stuck in Wuhan, China. That anxiety has been building over the last 2 months, and now it is reaching breaking point.
Our children are asking us, where is mom? When is she coming? We are told there's a virus in China. Is she okay? We tell her she's coming.
Since the outbreak, the Kenyan government has maintained that the students in Wuhan were safer there than back home. But the kin of the affected say the opposite is true.
It is painful when your child is suffering there, yet you are here. Mtoto anashangaa kuchua laptop hapa sikitu kama kile. That is something painful. Inafanya tunashangaa kuchua which type of Kenya we are living now.
Now the families of those affected by the lockdown in Wuhan say the government's neglect of keeping them in the loop of what they intend to do to ensure the safe return of their kin is making the situation that much worse. The parents want the government to bring their children home or allow them to facilitate that evacuation that they so desperately want.
Should anything happen to them, they will bring them home. Without struggle, they will bring them home. Then they will say they want to compensate the families. We are not interested in any compensation. We want our people back alive when we can still talk to them and we hear they are well.
Serikali iharakishe juu vile muda unaendelea ndio sasa wanaendelea kupatwa na mashida tofauti.
They also question why other nationalities are allowed to travel from China to Kenya while the Kenyan students are prohibited from leaving the country. They can remain hopeful that the government will heed their plea and bring their children back. The government in the meantime says it is confident of its preparedness to handle any suspected cases of the virus. Isolation centers have been set up at Kenyatta National Hospital and Bagathi Hospital. Brenda Wanga,